Welcome to the half-term 4 task year 8. Hopefully you've seen some of the lessons on Teams. So you've heard a bit of Afrobeats. So you're going to create a piece of music that has Afrobeats influences. First thing you want to do is go to Show Attachments and download this success criteria. Okay. And then I will now show you the level 3 task, which is to compose a 1-bar triadic riff. Triadic means it uses the notes of a triad chord. So when we're learning chords, for example, our C chord would be notes C, E, and G. So a triadic riff would be a short tune that uses the notes C, E, and G. Once you've done that, you'll click on Start Assignment. This will be nice and green. Start Assignment, Teacher's Project. But I'm the teacher, so I can't do that. Right. So you want to choose a MIDI instrument track. Don't just stick with piano. Go to the synth leads and pick a synth lead. There's loads to pick from. Listen through to one you like. I'm just going to go with this one. For your octave, you want to be on 3 or 4. A nice high one because it's the riff. And yeah, let's record something. So I put my metronome on. 120 is maybe a bit fast. Let's see what 100 is like. Yeah, even 100 is still a bit fast. I'm going to go for 90. Okay, we want a kind of moderate tempo. Okay, so triadic. So I need C, E, and G. Okay, so if I go to... Where's my mouse? Where's the mouse? There it is. Pitch. I want C, E, and G. Experiment. Come up with something you like. If it's syncopated, even better. Okay, so on our keyboard it's Z, C, and B. Maybe put on the metronome player. Okay, so I'm going to go for something nice and syncopated. And then when I'm happy, I just hit record. There we go. Double click on it and quantize it. So select all the notes. And then click quantize. There we go. Okay, that's my little riff. I can loop that for now as well, so I can hear it a few times. And that's done. It's nice and simple this time. There you go, that's how we're starting off.